Use of property source annotation. This question was asked to me in IBM. The actual question was, the interviewer said, like in application.properties, you have one key value pair. Key is name and whose value is interview mania. He said, this you can read it by using the at value annotation, right? So he said, suppose there is one more file whose extension is not properties, whose name is apc.xyz. Okay. So in this particular file, you have one key value pair called key here is names and whose value is Ankit. So his question was, how will you be able to read the value of this key? So I said him like by using the at value annotation only we will be able to read it. So now we will see, will we be able to read it by using this at value? Here I have changed the key to the key which is present in abc.xyz. Okay, now let's run the pro application and see our application is running on default port 8080. Okay, so now if you could see, we are getting some exception. So it is trying to say could not resolve placeholder names in value names. So what exactly it is trying to say, that Spring Boot is not able to find this key names in this application.properties file, right? So we have to use some other solution to read the key which is present in abc.xyz. So the solution to this particular problem is we have to use one annotation that is called property source. Okay, so this is the annotation property source. Okay, so with this annotation we have to define where exactly our file is present from which we want to read the property and what is the name of the file. So our property is present in root folder, that is abc.xyz. It is present root like. So the name of the file is abc.xyz. Okay, and now let's try to run the application. And yeah, if you could see, and we are running on default port 8080. So if you could see, we are not getting any exception now. So that means Spring Boot is able to find this particular key which is present in abc.xyz. Okay, and it is running on port 8080. And here what we are doing is, after we are hitting, we will be hitting this endpoint and we will see it will be printing the name whatever is present here. Okay, so now let's hit the endpoint. Okay, so it is like localhost 8080 hi. So I have hit it once, like let's hit it couple of more time. And now here if you could see, it is printing, it is just printing the value whatever we are reading from this particular property file, right? So this is the correct solution to the question he asked me. Okay, so in this video this much only. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.